Yo, so my lovely peeps out there, guess what? I am your boy, Mr. Smellgood, aka Jacint. I'm just bringing to you guys a quick review right now, first impression on a fragrance that I've been seeing getting crazy hype all over TikTok and YouTube as well. This fragrance is none other than, let me cut into it with my handy dandy tool. Yo, let me tell you these people. This one, there's a crazy videos about it. So I decided I was going to get a tester bottle of this one just so I can do this quick unboxing and first impression video for you guys. As you can see, it says tester, not for sale, but it's still being sold. This is actually Afnan 9, it should be Afnan 9 p.m. Let me look, because I don't know why I'm seeing, yes, it is Afnan 9 p.m. or apart from vaporizer. Look at the bottle. I must say the design itself, I love the design. I tried Afnan 9 a.m. dive and I was super soaked on it. I love that fragrance so much. Very fresh, aquatic, nice, versatile. It's a really combination of many different blue fragrances. This one, I've heard that it is an inspiration of John Paul's Ultramall, so I'm going to test it for myself and I'm going to tell you guys if to me it is a replica of John Paul's Ultramall or not. So overall 10 out of 10 for the presentation, but for the scent, here it goes. Off the cap, it does remind me of John Paul. It's been a while since I've smelled Ultramall, but let me tell you that that's one of the best that's one of the best club-based fragrances on the market, I should say, not to mention compliment getter. So if this one beats that, then guys, a win is a win. So let me spray this one and tell you guys quickly what I think about it. Always on the skin, guy. Boom. It's like the alcohol just went straight up. But the scent overall, it has remnants of Ultramall, yes, but there is something different about this one. It's not as smooth or as sweet as Ultramall. I'm not sure if the dry down will smell identical to Ultramall, but I can tell you that this is going to be a freaking good fragrance. Yo, this smells really nice. Ooh. Yo, I think I'm going to test this one and then I'm going to do a full review to tell you about the performance, the complement factor, the projection, everything about this fragrance. But really and truly, I just wanted to give you guys my first impression on Afnan 9 p.m. Guys, if you have tried this one, leave a comment down below and let me know what you think about it. If not, try it and let me know what you think, alright? So, peace.